How to create a second YouTube channel under the same account. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a second YouTube channel under a same Google account or under your same channel. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now we're not going to talk about inviting someone to our channel, giving them the channel access and then giving them multiple channel access in that way. The thing we're going to learn over here is that how you can create multiple channels inside of one same YouTube account. It's very simple to do that. There's really nothing more of a headache. All you have to do is, first of all, you want to make sure you're on youtube.com. So you can see I'm under youtube.com, and over here you can see my main Google account on which I'm logged in. So make sure you're logged into the main Google account under which you want to create multiple channels. After you do that, click on a profile icon, and here at the bottom you'll find the option that says settings. So just go ahead and click on the settings option. Once you click on settings, you'll be taken to this page, and you want to make sure first that you're under the account tab on the left hand side, and over here you'll find the option called add or manage your channels. Now depending upon the update and depending upon the time you're watching the video, this option could vary a little bit here and there, but you want to look something similar to this, such as managing your channel or adding channels. So I'll just click on it. So currently you can see I only have one channel under my list, as you can clearly see over here, and if I would like to add more channels, I just need to create the new channel by tapping on the plus icon over here, and you can see it says create a channel name. So in this case, I'm just going to simply name it my second channel, for example, and over here I'm going to agree to the terms and conditions, and I'm going to click on the create button. Once I click on the create button over here, you can see I have multiple types of channels. Now our account would have been successfully created, though there may be some verification process required. So as you can see, our second channel has been successfully created just like that. Now you can simply upload a video to get started, as you could clearly see over here, and you can simply add some playlists. You can customize the channels, and if you click on a profile icon on the top right and you go to switch account, you'll be able to see two channels right under it. The ones under it are the ones of which I only have a permission of, and I'm not really the owner of these accounts, as you can see this over here. But as you can see, the other two channels of which I'm actually a owner, this one I just created under the same Google account. That's all it takes to create two channels under the same account. Now it doesn't necessarily need to be two, it could be two or more. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.